Hey, hi, happy morning, my dear friends. I'm Savitri Devi City, and here we are with methods of teaching mathematics, in which we will be discussing about the analytic method and synthetic method here. In fact, I will focus on analytical method. Okay, and before that, yes, do wear your mask and stay safe, my dear friends. And coming to my introduction, here goes. I'm an author, educationist, teacher trainer, and online educator, and this is my book, which is available on Amazon, Flipkart. Even if you just type my name, Savitri Devi Setty, also, it will display the book details for you, and it's a one-stop solution for all your queries on CDP. Is all I can say. So, coming to the method that we have been discussing, analytic method. What do you mean by the word analytic? Means what? Generally, we've been, if you talk about Bloom's taxonomy, there also you have this analysis, knowledge, understanding. There are different, phases in it, right? So even there you see the word analysis. So apart from that, I'm just asking you, when I'm talking about analysis, means what am I doing here? What does exactly the dictionary mean? It's almost like breaking up, right? Or you're trying to analyze something means you're trying to check how, what, why, and of trying to resolve it. That is the actual concept. Analysis is nothing but breaking up of resolving a thing into a constituent elements. So original meaning of the word, if you ask me, it is to unloose or to separate that are together. Okay, analysis means that. So in this analysis method, it means we are trying to, it's a method where the unknown problem, especially in maths, unknown problem is broken up into simpler parts first. So I'm trying to simplify my problem with little, and then end of the day I will complete my problem, get my solution from unknown to known. So secondly, it is there seen how they can be combined to, and then again we will see how to recombine to get my the same solution. So for example, so here's a process. How does it start? It starts with what is to be found out, and then think of further steps. First of all, what is that I should find out? That I'll check. Okay, let me see this. This is just, I think I could have solved this and given, but I haven't. If you see here an example, if A by B equal to C by D, prove that AC minus 2B square by B is equal to C square minus 2BD by D. This is what the problem is. So here, where will you start? You will start the solution from start the problem from unknown, and that what will you start? You will start like from AC. If this is so and so, get the answer of this. So there are different ways where you can simply you'll take the condition, you'll try to apply to some part of it. That way you will solve it. So analytic method is said that the highest intellectual performance of the mind is analysis, which leads to unknown to known, or and abstract to concept. So this is a quite a tough method. Not every student can do. You can't even plan to do this kind of method for the younger children. Okay, so that is one thing. And when we are talking about the advantages, probably you might be wondering what are the advantages. It is this methods, where the student has to participate completely. No cramming is required. You don't need to buy hard things, and you should actually the child. It helps not you, but rather I should say that it helps the child to develop the power of thinking, reasoning, because he's trying to figure out things from the unknown to the known. Okay, and develops originality, creativity among students, no doubt, self confidence. All this takes place by default. And when we are talking of this, it helps us to clearly understand where the problem is going wrong and how I can solve it over through logical thinking and all. By this method, definitely knowledge is gained and it is more concrete. But when we are talking about disadvantages, yes, it is time consuming, definitely a long time consuming thing, not economical in the sense, practically speaking. Not every time can this method be useful, and not for every problem. You can't solve all the problems through analytical method, only few of them. Okay, only for few topics in maths that is advisable. And that's all about analytical method. Moving ahead, in the next video we will be talking about this synthesis method, and then you will know the difference between what is analytical method and synthesis method. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, and yes, do check the description below to purchase this book. Thank you, bye bye.